Let's learn alphabet.
A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for giraffe. H is for house. I is for ice cream. J is for juice. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for moon. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for penguin. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for tree. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra.